Planning a trip, but don't have time to search for accommodation on your laptop? With the Booking.com app on your iPhone, your entire travel planning fits in your pocket. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily download it, so you can book your ideal hotel, apartment, or weekend getaway as early as today. Ready? Let's go! The first thing you need to do is find the App Store icon on your phone's home screen and open it. Once you're in the App Store, look in the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll see a magnifying glass icon. Tap on it. Next, tap on the search bar, type in Booking.com, and start the search. When the app appears in the results, you'll see Booking.com. Tap on it. This will open the app's page, where you can see more details like the app description, user ratings, reviews, number of downloads, and screenshots showing what the app looks like in use. Once you're there, tap the Get button to download it. In my case, the Get button doesn't appear because I already have Booking installed, so instead it says Open. If you've downloaded the app before, you might see a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap it to reinstall. Once the download starts, wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. When it's done, the Open button will appear. Tap on it and the app will open. As soon as it launches, Booking.com will offer you the option to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login info and sign in. If not, you can quickly create one using your email address or even through your Google or Apple account. After signing in, the home screen of the app will open, where you can immediately begin searching for accommodation. And that's it. Super easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.